The best silicone applicators ensure smooth, even engine dressing application, reduce product waste, protect surfaces, and deliver a clean, professional finish. My today's video is about top 5 best silicone applicators for engines that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Westhorse 18PC Ceramic Coating Applicator Kit. This 18-piece ceramic coating applicator kit delivers excellent value and professional-grade performance for both beginners and experienced car detailers. With 6 ergonomic foam applicator blocks and 12 premium suede microfiber cloths, it provides everything needed to complete multiple coating jobs without purchasing extra accessories. The ultra-soft foam spreads ceramic coatings, sealants, waxes, and nano coatings evenly while minimizing the risk of scratches or swirl marks. High-quality suede microfiber cloths effectively remove excess product, leaving behind a smooth, streak-free, lint-free finish that enhances your vehicle's appearance. The grooved, non-slip applicator design offers a secure and comfortable grip, making it easy to control application on large body panels as well as intricate areas like headlights, mirrors, and trim. Compatible with painted surfaces, PPF, glass, wheels, and plastic trim, this versatile kit supports complete vehicle detailing. The reusable materials help reduce long-term costs when properly cleaned and maintained. Just remember to replace applicators once coating residue hardens to protect delicate paintwork and maintain flawless detailing results. Now our second product is Magic Caulking Gun No Drip Silicone Applicator. This silicone applicator tool is thoughtfully designed to make caulking cleaner, faster, and far more precise. Its automatic pressure control system minimizes unwanted dripping by regulating internal pressure, helping maintain a tidy workspace and reducing material waste. The integrated backflow stopper prevents excess silicone from being pushed out after each squeeze, ensuring a smooth, consistent bead for professional-looking results. A built-in nozzle cutter simplifies preparation by creating the ideal tip angle in seconds, eliminating the need for separate cutting tools. After finishing the job, the included sealing cap keeps the nozzle airtight, preventing leftover silicone from curing inside the cartridge and extending its usability for future projects. The dual-sided caulking pad is another standout feature, offering both narrow and wide finishing edges to accommodate different joint sizes with clean, uniform lines. Whether you're sealing bathrooms, kitchens, windows, or outdoor fixtures, this versatile applicator improves control, reduces mess, and delivers high-quality results that both DIY users and professionals will appreciate. Our third product is Ipley 2-Pack Large Tire Shine Applicator Pad. The Ipley Tire Dressing Applicator is a practical detailing tool that makes tire care quicker, cleaner, and more efficient. Its premium dense foam absorbs and distributes tire dressing evenly, producing a rich, consistent shine without leaving streaks or uneven patches. The ergonomic wave pattern design conforms to the tire sidewall, allowing smooth application while reducing product buildup in grooves and textured surfaces. One of its biggest advantages is minimizing product waste, as the high-density foam retains the dressing instead of letting it drip or run onto the ground. The thick foam barrier also keeps your hands clean by protecting your fingers from grease, dirt, and chemicals during application. Built for repeated use, the applicator is washable and maintains its shape even after multiple detailing sessions, making it a cost-effective addition to any car care kit. Whether you're maintaining daily drivers or show vehicles, this applicator delivers professional-looking tire finishes with less effort, better control, and improved efficiency every time. Now number 4, SPTA Tire Shine Applicator. These tire dressing applicator pads are an excellent choice for achieving a clean, glossy finish with minimal effort. Made from high-quality foam, they provide a comfortable, non-slip grip that offers better control while evenly spreading tire dressing across the entire sidewall. Their low-absorption design ensures more product stays on the tire instead of being wasted inside the sponge, helping maximize the effectiveness of expensive detailing solutions. The soft, scratch-free foam glides smoothly over rubber surfaces without causing damage, delivering a uniform, streak-free shine every time. Built for repeated use, the applicator pads are durable, washable, and maintain their performance after multiple cleaning cycles when properly dried. Their ergonomic shape reduces hand fatigue, allowing faster and more efficient detailing for both professionals and DIY car enthusiasts. Whether you're applying tire shine, trim dressing, or other protective coatings, these reusable foam pads improve application accuracy, reduce product waste, and consistently produce a polished, professional quality finish that enhances your vehicle's overall appearance. And our last choice is Fonaroll Microfiber Wax Applicator Pads. These microfiber wax applicator pads offer an excellent balance of softness, durability, and performance for a wide range of automotive detailing tasks. Constructed with premium blended microfiber wrapped around a resilient sponge core, they combine superior absorbency with the flexibility needed for smooth, even product application. Whether you're applying wax, polish, sealant, protectant, or tire dressing, the pads distribute products uniformly while minimizing waste and reducing streaks. Reinforced stitched edges enhance durability and prevent the applicator from separating during repeated use, while also reducing friction to help protect delicate paintwork from scratches. Their ergonomic 5-inch size provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to work on large panels as well as detailed areas. Beyond vehicle care, these versatile pads are also effective for cleaning seats, glass, dashboards, household surfaces, and even lifting dust or pet hair. Machine washable and reusable, the 6-piece set delivers long-lasting value and consistent results, making it a practical addition for both professional detailers and car enthusiasts seeking a flawless, showroom-quality finish. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.